Hi, good morning. I'm Yogest Targe, and I'm an Indian, and I am over here now addressing on behalf of QuadraPlus, which is an institute which really teaches well for course like project management professionals. Now coming to me, as I told you, I'm Yogesh. I've done my Bachelor's of Engineering. I'll just brief down my education background. That is, I've done my Bachelor's of Engineering, then I've done my MBA, and that too specialized in dual field, that is Material Logistic Management and Human Resource Development. That means, plus I've done my Diploma in Labor Welfare. So complete gadget of projects, completely management gadget of projects. Coming back to coming back to the PMP. Now I've worked since 17 years in Dubai as an engineer. Then I've zealed myself. I've made a position of senior project engineer. Now I'm heading with a KH residence project, which is ongoing project at DIP, that is Dubai Investment Park. And after having experience, I felt to learn much more management skills to handle this project. Now, there comes the PMP role, which I am talking of at presently. QuadraPlus is the only institute. I do certify confidently that QuadraPlus is the only institute in Dubai, in UAE, that teaches this professionally, this course professionally. And it is a hard course. After doing my MBAs, it is not that simple, but it is a hard course to understand what management tools, techniques, the input and outputs altogether are. So QuadraPlus is the only institute which teaches you, which makes it simpler to understand. But let me tell you the crux of it. That is, QuadraPlus will make your fundamentals really clear. Absolutely, one step by step. You'll start growing interest, and then once you adapt to it, once you have your interest growing, your intention, it becomes a passion sort of thing. Then you bring it into profession, and believe me, then sky is the heavens. Like sky is limit. You can achieve a lot. You can definitely, confidently, after having PMP done, you can get a very good openings in today's scenario. You can be into top management. You can be scaled high, and as well as you can shoot up with your earnings too. So believe me, my friends, QuadraPlus, you should try once. If you got to make your life simpler, please opt for QuadraPlus. Thank you.